Equipment room cleaning and safety maintenance. Keeping the temporary storage space clean is essential for protecting equipment and ensuring a safe working environment. Regular dust and dirt removal helps prevent buildup that could affect equipment functionality and can create unnecessary obstacles for personnel. Cleaning process. Floor sweeping and mopping. Thoroughly sweep to collect dust and debris, followed by mopping with a suitable cleaning solution. Allow the floor to dry before walking to prevent slips. Equipment surface cleaning. Wipe down all equipment with a clean cloth to remove dust accumulation, ensuring frequently handled surfaces remain free of grime. Light stand stability inspection. Carefully check all light stands and other structures to make sure they are secure, preventing accidental tipping hazards. Organizational check. Arrange stored equipment properly to maintain clear walkways, reducing the risk of tripping. Door cleaning and maintenance. Wipe down doors to remove dust and ensure smooth operation for easy access. Safety considerations. Avoid obstructing pathways with cleaning tools or equipment. Move cautiously around stacked or delicate structures to prevent accidental disturbances. Ensure proper disposal of dirt and waste to maintain cleanliness. Keep doors accessible for safe movement in and out of the storage area. If you're cleaning without PPE, it's important to take extra precautions to ensure safety. Here are some key tips. Use mild cleaning products. Avoid harsh chemicals that could cause skin irritation or respiratory issues. Opt for natural or non-toxic cleaners when possible. Ensure proper ventilation. Open doors or windows to allow fresh air in and prevent inhaling dust or fumes. Wash hands frequently. After handling cleaning tools or touching dusty surfaces, wash hands thoroughly with soap and water. Be mindful of slippery floors. If mopping, ensure the floor is completely dry before walking on it to prevent slips. Handle equipment with care. Avoid knocking over unstable objects like light stands or stacked items. Store cleaning supplies safely. Keep cleaning materials in designated areas to prevent accidental spills or misuse. Take breaks when needed. Avoid prolonged exposure to dust or repetitive movements that could cause strain. Bigfoot's grip and lighting section, where practical know-how meets dedication. We aren't experts, but we understand what needs to be done to keep our grip and lighting equipment performing at its best. Through consistent maintenance and hands-on care, we ensure everything is ready for your production needs. Follow our journey as we tackle routine tasks with precision and keep things running smoothly. Like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with our simple but effective maintenance practices.